Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi has announced its latest flagship devices in the Mi series, dubbed as the Mi 8, Mi 8 Explorer Edition and Mi 8 SE at its annual launch event, to celebrate its 8th anniversary. Apart from this, the company also announced the Mi Band 3, MIUI 10, Mi VR Standalone and Mi TV 4, 75 inches at the event. While the company announced the MIUI 10 today, the newly launched Mi series devices are currently running on MIUI 9, and are scheduled to be upgraded to MIUI 10 in the coming days. The Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition feature similar specifications, but differ in terms of design. The Mi 8 SE has been launched with the Snapdragon 710 SoC, making it the first device to be powered by the recently announced SoC. Xiaomi Mi 8, Mi 8 Explorer Edition specifications. As mentioned earlier, the Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition feature similar specifications, but differ in terms of design. Both the devices run on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9 skinned on top, and are scheduled to receive the MIUI 10 update soon. While the Mi 8 features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, the Mi 8 Explorer Edition is equipped with an in-display fingerprint sensor, similar to the recently launched Vivo X21. Additionally, it has a transparent back panel, allowing you to see some of the internals of the device. The Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition feature a 6.21-inch Full HD Plus Super Amoled display with DCI-P3 color gamut, a resolution of 2248x1080 pixels and an aspect ratio of 18.7:9. Both the devices sport a notch at the top, which houses the front camera, proximity sensor, earpiece and infrared sensor. In terms of performance, the Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition are powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC coupled with Adreno 630 GPU. In terms of memory, the Mi 8 will be available in 3 variants: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 6GB plus 256GB. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition has been launched with 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.